Nestled in the rolling hills of St. Andrew is one of the Ministry of Transport Works and Maintenance lesser-known depots, the Haggatts Depot. In this program, we will take a look at the depot and the excellent work they are doing for the people in the quiet villages and communities on the East Coast. Senior technician with the ministry, Mr. Anthony Adamson, oversees the depot and is responsible for road building and maintenance for the roads in these districts. He shared a brief history of the Haggatts Depot.
Before it became the MTW depot, it was the old Haggatts plantation, and then we had the plant that moved out, and then we had the transport board operated from here. But then in 2004, MTW take over here, saying that was the George River depot from St. David Village that came to George River depot and become Haggatts. And then we had in 2012 the amalgamation of Belle Plaine and the St. George River combined together, so both depots operate from here, representing St. Joseph and St. Andrew.
With a staff of approximately 74 persons comprising the two depots, you will find a number of skilled artisans, masons, carpenters, drivers, and general workers who execute the expansive work that is carried out in these areas.
Out of the depot you get maintenance like patching roads, we have the debushing, the clearing of the drains, we have sign painting, we do masonry work, and also at times we deal with the complaints that comes in the residency district.
Mr. Addison added that being located in the Scotland district, his depots have to deal with peculiar issues.
Mostly in the Scotland district, we have a lot of movements of the soil. So you mostly find we're doing a lot of stabilization work with the gabions, which is more completely different to the other parts of the island. You see, in the Scotland district, the soil tends to move and it's much deeper than where you have in St. Philip or St. George, that area. So you have to pay closer attention to it.
One of the special projects the depot is undertaking at the moment is the road construction at Redmond Road in Belle Plaine, St. Andrew. Paul Griffith, Technician 2 in the ministry with responsibility for St. Andrew, says the road is 285 meters and is expected to be paved at completion.
Here at Redmond Road, we're looking to improve the drainage structure and provide a smooth surface for the residents here. As soon as the rainfall, it will flood out, and the residents, they are very happy. They're coming out, supporting us, offering assistance where they can, and yeah, they're happy with it.
The work, which commenced on November 1st, 2019, is expected to be completed in the next few weeks. One of the oldest members of the community, Mrs. Emmeline Cumberbatch, who has been living in Redmond Road from 1971, remembers that conditions in the area were not favorable at all.
It would deteriorate from time to time when you get heavy rain or thing, it would be with the water running on the road. I'm glad now that it is being repaired now to the extent that it is, because it will be much better and more convenient, especially for me that getting young now.
The residents of Redmond Road, and by extension the residents and communities of St. Andrew and St. Joseph, are quite pleased with the work and commitment coming out of the hidden treasure that is the Haggatts Depot.